Hey friends, if you wish to uninstall AVG Antivirus on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. It's not very difficult. Here's what we have to do. So, AVG Antivirus is installed here. Okay, now before uninstalling it, we need to close it. So, close the AVG Antivirus. Okay, close it. And then you can search for AVG in the Windows search bar. Click on the download pointing arrow and select uninstall. Okay, click on these three dots here and select uninstall, and then on uninstall once again. So this will start uninstalling the AVG antivirus. Okay, you can select uninstall, I no longer need it, skip and uninstall, uninstall, and let it go. So this is one part. Now it will still need a while to uninstall. You have to wait till then, but I'll show you what has to be done after it has completely uninstalled. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Okay, and then select C drive or any drive that you want to, and then check all of the boxes here. Actually, you have to select C drive only, and then this, and then click on OK, and then select delete files. It will start deleting all the files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.